messing with stuff up that way. A lot of times I come back and do something else.
Yeah.
Man, that was being snapped off high, ain't it? That knocked our budget here. That neck been real old. We're getting a lot of problems, man. I'm gonna check my system just to make sure I have that shell with me. Maybe one of them hogs gonna come out of the creek or something after the dog.
Hopefully the dog. I think they got enough sense to know they did run like hell. So did you go down to that Georgia Bigfoot conference?
No, I didn't get a chance to go. I worked there around the house there all day Saturday, and Sherry, she had a bunch of stuff to do for school, so I just hung around there with her, and then we went and watched that new Avengers movie.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I heard it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Creek's running good, ain't
It is. That's the most water's been in these things that I've ever seen.
it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A lot of these right here, I've noticed that a lot of them's been bent coming down that hill, and they've been bent for a while, and they continue to be bent. I'm wondering if some huge damn King Kong's coming down through here and big, because they're not all, the big ones are straight.
Yeah.
But these smaller ones, it's like they've been bent.
Yeah. And they want
Maybe they're growing out to try to catch the sun, but I don't know. It looks to me like they still getting plenty of sun.
well,
Like they wouldn't be doing
did.
that.
You know, these other ones around them.
Yeah, they didn't. I mean, so.
And you know, they wasn't like that when we first started doing those big flocking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we first started, yeah. I remember seeing it like maybe like the last 2 or 3 times that we came up through here.
Been water coming down through there.
Mm-hmm.
That last big rain that came through, man, they broke that holly bush all to pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that wasn't like that the last time, was it? Because it's still, the leaves are still on there.
I think maybe that was broke the last time I came. I can go back and look.
It might have been.
Got him. Got him laying down in the creek. Boy, you hot. You about had it. Go ahead and lay down in it. It's cool. Go ahead and lay down. I know you hot.
Being a good big brother.
I believe every word of it, Gotti. You a good big brother to Sissy. He said, boy, that feels good. It's your air conditioning, ain't it, Gotti? You okay, girl? You looking happy? You look like you're happy. No, you tired? Oh, God. You dirty old rat.
She said, I'm happy now.
What you gonna do when it's 90 degrees, boy? We need to whip you into shape.
He'll probably do like me setting air conditioning.
Yeah, I think that's what he's gonna do. I think I might just be making some trips out here all by my lonesome. All right, let me step right here.
No concrete fell over. Been pushed over.
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember if that was done last time or not.
I don't remember seeing that last time.
I don't either.